is Lokesh. I am studying in 6th class in Phoenix Global School. Today my topic is Indian Constitution. Introduction to Constitution. The word Constitution was first recommended by Manabendra Nath Roy. He is a pioneer of communist movement in 1935. This demand was accepted by British government. This is called as August Topper of 1914. What is a constitution? The meaning of the constitution is the principles by which a state is governed. In the world, all nations have their own constitution. We can understand the rules and regulations have their own of a country by observing constitution. Indian Constitution. The Indian Assembly Constitution started in 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as President of the Assembly. The Assembly appointed on number of committees to make constitution. They are major committees, minor committees, drafting committees. Finally, constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949 under the chairmanship Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and it came into force on January 26, 1950 with 395 articles and 12 schedules. Features of the Indian Constitution. Lengthiest written constitution. America has the written constitution and British has the unwritten constitution. But our India has the lengthiest written constitution. It is drawn from various sources. Our constitution drawn from different countries such as America, Australia, British, Canada, France, Germany, Japan and South Africa. It has mixture of rigidity and flexibility. Our constitution is rigid like American Constitution and flexible like British Constitution. America amended Acts 27 times while India amended 104 times. Our constitution has parliamentary system. In our parliamentary system is Republic is the head of the state. That means President of India. The present President of India is Ramnath Kovind. It provides rights, principles and duties. Constitution provides 6 fundamental rights for safety of citizens, 4 groups of directive principles to lead a good life, 10 fundamental duties to promote patriotism and unity such as respect, national flag, national anthem and constitution etc. It has secular feeling. Our constitution promotes secular feeling in citizens. It means government never supports any religion. We have freedom to follow our belief. It provides universal adult franchise. Our constitution, all Indian adult citizens are recognized by the constitution. Every citizen not less than 18 years have right to vote. It provides citizenship. Our constitution provides single citizenship in country so that we can enjoy civil rights and political rights. America has dual citizenship so that our constitution parliamentary system. Our constitution follows legislative system to make laws, executive system to implement laws, judicial system to justify laws, UPSC to select central government officers, SPSC to select state government officers. It has 3 emergency systems. Nation declares emergency. Nation during wars. State emergency when government failed. Financial emergency during financial crisis. Our constitution provides 3-tier government systems. Central government is leading by Chief Prime Ministers at Delhi. State government is leading by Chief Ministers at state capitals. And local government is leading by mayors at cities. Present Indian Constitution has 470 articles, 25 parts, 12 schedules. India commemorating freedom fighters by Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to various cultural activities. 75 weeks preceding 75th Indian Independence Day on August 15th, 2021. Thank you for giving this opportunity.